MiniTech alarm signals. MiniTech has the option of being able to interface with an alarm system. To use this feature, peripheral equipment is required and the lock must be programmed to enable the features. There are two aspects of interface with an alarm system. There is an output from the lock, and the lock can receive an input from an alarm signal. For the output, we have the Duress feature. This is also known as silent alarm. This feature allows a user to enter a variant of their code so that they can open the lock whilst at the same time generating a silent signal to a connected alarm system. This allows the user to alert others that they're being forced to open the lock. We don't have an alarm system connected here, but with this device we can emulate that signal. There's an LED just here. When we enter a Duress code, then that LED will illuminate. First of all, I'll demonstrate a normal code entry. So I'm going to use the manager ID, and the manager default code on this lock is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That opens the lock normally. The Duress variant of the code is the last digit either increased or decreased by 1. So my code ended with 6, so I can either enter a 7 or a 5. So I'll do that now. You can see that the LED has illuminated. That is the signal that's generated to a connected alarm system. If the MiniTech has been programmed and is connected to peripheral equipment which is connected to an alarm system, it's possible to use an input signal from the alarm system to change how the MiniTech operates. That input signal can either block the lock from operating, or it can be used to override time delay if it's in operation. In this situation, an input signal will block the lock from operating. So when I press this button on the same emulation device, it's sending a signal to the MiniTech. Remote block is active. When I release the signal, the MiniTech opens normally.